Hello, in this tutorial, I will teach you how to buy from Yupoo with SugarGoo. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And if you want to create an account on Yupoo and SugarGoo, you can use the link in the description and you may get discount and rewards upon signing up. So without further ado, let's get started. So first thing you need to do is to go to your Yupoo and just find an item that you want to buy. So for example, this is my item that I want to buy, and after that I just need to copy the link of that items. And yeah, and after you copy the link, just go to your SugarGoo application, and this window will appear that says a link is detected, so I can just click OK, and that item link will be set up all the information, all the specifications. So I just need to give a price, or another information that I want to insert in order for the SugarGoo to properly buy the product that I want to delivered. And yeah, that's it. So if I click buy now, if all the information is okay, and I click buy now, the SugarGoo will process the item, and they will buy it from Yupoo and deliver it to me. And that's it. That's how you do it. And also, that's it for this tutorial. If you want more, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and see you in the next one. Bye.